kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, this will be the part 2 of my video series on how to create a custom video player app using Android Studio. Alright guys, so in part 1 we just created the project and now we are going to start working on the project. So first of all, without wasting any time, let's open activity main.xml, and in here, and what we are going to do is we are going to use the recycler view. Okay, so before that, let's try to include the recycler view dependency. So for that, go to project structures, then click on app, then click on dependencies and click on plus button, and here you will be able to see this. Click OK, and here we will be able to use the recycler view. So just type recycler view and set it to match parent and also the width to match parent. And first of all, let's set the ID to recycler view video. Alright, and then we just need some margin left, and it will be 10 dp, and also the margin right, it will be 10 dp, and we will set the scroll bars to vertical. Alright, so this is the recycler view and we will be displaying the videos inside that recycler view. So now let's go to main activity, and first of all, your first task is to initialize all the controls from the XML. So here we are using the recycler view, so we will just write recycler view, and here we will create a method init. Okay, and this method, inside that method we will be initializing all the controls. So here first of all we have the recycler view, so we can say recycler view find view by id r.id.recycler view video, and after that we are going to use recycler view dot layout manager, and we can name it as recycler view layout manager. And inside our init method we are going to initialize the recycler view layout manager. So we can say recycler view layout manager equal to new grid layout manager. Okay, so we will be using the grid layout manager, and inside that we can pass get application context, and we need the span count since we will be displaying 2 videos in a row, 1 2 3 4. Okay, in this way. So we will be using, so we can say just 2 okay. So after that we are going to set this recycler view layout manager to our recycler view. So we can say recycler view dot set layout manager, and in here we can say pass recycler view layout manager. Alright, and inside our init we are going to write the method to fetch the all the videos. Okay, so for that we will be creating the adapter. So we can create custom adapter, okay, or we can say video adapter. So let's click new and then click on package. Let's create a package name adapter, and inside that adapter we can create a new Java class and name it as video adapter. Alright, and after that okay, so before that, let's now here we will write the method to fetch videos from gallery. Alright, so now we just need to create the method, and inside that method first of all, okay, so now we need a URI Then we will be requiring a couple of variables. So for that, first of all, we need a cursor object. Alright, then we will be requiring integer column index data, column index folder folder name, column ID, and thumbnail. Okay, so after that we will require the string absolute path image. First of all, we will set it to null. Then we can now initialize our URI, so we can say URI equal to, and we will be using the media store library class. Okay, so for that we can say media store dot video dot media dot external content URI. Okay, first of all, we will be fetching the URI of the video using the media store class. Then we need some projection because we only need the MP4, or I mean the videos. So for that we can create a string array of with name it as projection, and this one will be media store dot media columns dot data, and then we will have media store. Okay, let's create it inside here. Media store dot video dot media dot bucket display name, and then we will be using media store dot video dot media dot ID. Then we will also be using media store dot video dot thumbnails dot data. All right, and after that we will be using, or I mean we will be sorting the projection, or it is basically a where inside R. Okay, so now what we will be doing is we can say string ordered by. Okay, it is a where clause in a way, just like you see inside your MySQL or SQL language, and here we will be specifying the condition. Okay, so here we can say order by equal to media store dot images dot media dot date taken. Okay, and then we will be initializing our cursor, so we can say cursor equal to get application context dot get content resolver dot query method, and inside that we can first of all pass the URI, then we pass the projection, and then we pass null, and then we pass the order by, and finally we can say descending order. Alright, so now we have the cursor, and now we first of all can say column index data, and it will be equal to cursor dot get column index or throw, and here we can say media store dot media column dot data. Okay, and now we can also say column index folder name, so we can access column index folder name equal to cursor dot get column index or throw, and inside that we can say media store dot video dot media dot bucket display name, and finally we can also say the id and then the thumbnail. So first of all, the id, column id equal to cursor dot get column index or throw, and here we can say media store dot video dot media dot id, and then we can say thumb equal to cursor dot get column index or throw media store dot video dot thumbnails dot data. Alright, and here finally we can write the while condition, and here we can say while cursor dot move to next, and here we can say absolute in path image equal to cursor dot get string, and here we can pass the column index data. Alright, so it will be the absolute path of the image. Then we can say okay guys, so I guess we can stop the video here, and in our next part of the video we will try to continue. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.